Elena at Easy Sealing supplied us with a creative solution for our Grand Designs exhibition stand. We were so impressed with what they did for us there, we got them back here to our brand new showroom to do a stretch ceiling and a backlit wall panel installation. We continue to be really pleased with them and recommend them to everyone we come across.
I work in the green sector and I'm always looking to buy green things myself. Stretch ceilings are 100% recyclable, they create less waste and you can put insulation above them to conserve energy. I also think they look pretty cool.
Our company name is Simply Beautiful Print, so it's really important that our business premises live up to our name. Easy Sealing helps us create this fabulous sky print, which our clients love and they always comment on every time they visit.
Easy Sealing were great to deal with. Elena was really helpful with technical advice. She even helped to sort out a problem we had on site, which we caused.
They were a really friendly team, hard-working, really quick, tidied up after themselves and were in and out in a day.
Easy Sealing are very easy to work with. We've both got very good attention to detail and want a high quality finish, so the process is just a dream.